How to use your iPhone as a webcam. With the number of people working remotely increasing, it's important to have a functioning webcam. Unfortunately, finding a good webcam is a challenge. They can be expensive, have low-quality cameras, or be inaccessible when you really need them. An easy fix is using your own smartphone as a webcam. To do so, you'll need to download applications for both your phone and computer, because iPhones don't support this feature out of box. But no worries, we've done the homework for you. The two best applications currently on the market are Epoch Cam and IV Cam. Both apps are highly rated and offer opportunities for you to test their features before making a purchase. So, how can you use these apps? After installing your app of choice and setting it up on your iPhone, you'll need to navigate to the video conferencing app settings on your computer. Then, select the virtual webcam as your video source device. Keep in mind that you'll need to have the selected app open and running on your iPhone while you're using it. Now you're ready for your next virtual conference. Thank you for watching our instructional video. We hope it was helpful. If you'd like to see tips about other mobile phone functions or fixes, drop a note in the comments below. We'd be happy to put together a video. For more videos, please check out our YouTube channel and subscribe.